I forgot I was gonna make a video, but for right now, I'm putting together some crab cakes. See, I got the jumbo lump. I got my seasoning. What we have going on. First, we got a little mayo. Then you can see the parsley, seafood seasoning that I made myself. We got the MSG in there. You can't see it. It's clear. A little mustard, and then here comes the secret. A little fish sauce. Now, for real, fish sauce pretty much makes everything better. But if you mess up and use too much, your food will taste horrible. A couple drops, you can pretty much put it in everything. Mix this up. Get it good and combined. Now, now gonna add a little breadcrumbs. I like panko. Use what you use. I'm not gonna put a lot. I'm gonna bake the crab cake, so I don't need a lot of binder. You know what? I was trying to figure out why it was so thick. Forgot my egg. Hold tight. Man, looks like this was meant to be. Last egg. What we're gonna do is hope I don't mess up. I'm trying to be fancy. Look at your boy. Professional status. One hand. Mix that in there. Yeah, we good now. We good. Take this. This. Okay, pro tip. These are not just used for cakes. You got crab meat, you got the big pieces. I'm not trying to mess them up, so you do what's called folding. Go underneath and fold over. Keeping the pieces as big as you can. Bow. That's what you're looking for. All the lumps are still intact. About to form these up real quick. I ain't show you me forming them because make them whatever size you want. But here's another tip. After you finish, put them in the freezer to set up for a little while. See, this one's starting to fall. I gotta fix that real quick. They fall because there's hardly any binder in them. But let me fix this joint up and I'll be right back. Man, I can't even fake. I forgot I was making a darn video. So I'm just gonna include a picture of how it came out. You put it on their broiler and broil them until they're done. Merry Christmas.